Hello everyone. Today shall discuss exercise 4.4 question number 1. Set up equations and solve them to find the unknown numbers in the following cases. A. Add 4 to 8 times a number, you get 60. Right. Question number A is let the number be x. Let the number be x. Therefore, according to the question, add 4 to 8 times a number. That is 8 times of x plus 4 is equal to 60. Right? We'll solve this equation, or you can write 8x. If we transpose 4 on the right hand side, it will be minus 60 minus 4, or you can write 8x 60 minus 4 is equal to 56, or you can say 8x is equal to 56, or x is equal to 56 divided by 8. 8 on 8, 7 is 56, or x is equal to 7 is the required solution of the equation. Right? Now we solve question number B. Question number B is here you see question number B is 1/5 of a number minus 4 gives 3. Question number B is let the number be m. Therefore, according to the question, 1/5 of a number, 1/5 of m minus 4 gives 3. Or you can say m by 5. If we transpose 4 on the right hand side, it will be plus 3 plus 4. Or m by 5 is equal to 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Or m is equal to 5 into 7. Or you can write m is equal to 5 7 35, which is the required solution of the equation. Now, question number C. Question number C is if I take 3/4 of a number and add 3 to it, I get 21. Let the number be y. Therefore, according to the question, 3/4 of a number, if we take 3/4 of a number, the 3/4 of y, add 3 to it plus 3, I get 21, that is equal to 21. Or 3 by 4y, if we transpose 3 on the right hand side, it will be minus 21 minus 3. Or 3 by 4 y is equal to 21 minus 3, 18. Or y is equal to 18 divided by 3 by 4. Or you can write is equal to 18 into 4 by 3. 3 is 3, 3 6 is 18, or 4 6 is 24. Or you can write y is equal to 24, which is the required solution of the equation. right? Now you solve question number D. Question number D is, here you see, question number D is, question number D, question number D, question number D is, when I subtracted 11 from twice a number, the result was 15. Let the number be x. Let the number be x. Therefore, according to the question, when I subtract 11 from twice a number, twice, that means 2x, 2x, subtract 11, 2x minus 11, the result is 15. Or you can say that 2x is equal to 15. If we transpose 11 on the right hand side, it will be plus 11. Or 2x, 5 and 6, 26. Or x is equal to 26 divided by 2, that is 202, 2 3 is 6, or x is equal to 13, which is the required solution of the equation. Now question number E. Question number E is, question number E is, Munna subtracts thrice the number of a notebook he has from 50. He finds the result is 8. Right? Let thrice the number. Let the number be. Let the number be x. Therefore, Munna subtracts thrice the number of notebook he has from 50. That is 50 minus 3x is equal to 8. Or we can write that is minus 3x is equal to 8. If you transpose this 50 on the right hand side, plus will be changed into minus 50. Or you can say minus 3x is equal to minus 42. Or you can say x is equal to minus 42 by minus 3. Minus 42 by minus 3. It comes to 3 1 3, 3 4 12, 14. Or x is equal to 14, which is the required solution of the equation. Now question number F. Question number F is, now we'll solve question number F. Question number F is, here you see, question number F is, Evenhal thinks of a number. If she adds 19 to it and divides the sum by 5, she will get 8. Now question number F is, let the number by p. Let the number be p. According to the question number, if she adds 19 to it, that is p plus 19, and divides the sum by 5, she will get 8 is equal to 8. Right? Or we can write here as p plus 19 is equal to 5 into 8. 5 into 8. Or you can write P plus 19 is equal to 5 8 40. Or you can write P is equal to 40. If we transpose 19 on the right hand side, it will be minus 19. Or P is equal to 40 minus 19. 40 minus 19. And 1, carry 1, 2, 21. That comes to 21, which is the required solution of the equation. Now we shall solve question number G. Question number G is here, you see. Question number G is question number G. Question number G is Anwar thinks of a number. If he takes away 7 from 5 by 2 of the number, the result is 23. Let the number be x. Let the number be x. Right? Therefore, according to the question, 5 by 2 x minus 7 is equal to 23. 23. Or 5 by 2 x is equal to, if we transpose 7 on the right hand side, it will be plus 7. Or 5 by 2 x is equal to 23 plus 7, that is 30. Or you can say x is equal to 30 divided by 5 by 2. Or it can be said as 30 multiply 2 by 5. 5 1 is 5, 5 6 is 30, or 6 2 is 12. Or we can say that x is equal to 12 is the solution of the equation. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.